WRX, welcome into the line. We'll get some photos of you. Give them a round of applause, everybody.
Tried our best today, and the old boy drove pretty well, so it was pretty good for Father's Day, we reckon. And yeah, 2 Targas and 2 podiums after the last one with the Escort catching on fire. This is more fun.
We had a ball. He was on the notes all weekend, and yeah, he did a great job on point. Basically got me here, otherwise I don't know what would happen, you know. So it's great to be back and get a second place in Modern 4, so great stuff. Thanks to this little fella.
Well, we like to dress the same on Father's Day every now and then, so it's looking quite good. But yeah, it's a shame the Escort isn't here. We couldn't fly, help the classics out, but this thing's done a great job. It's our first rally in it, and we're really, really happy with it. So we'll bring the Escort back though. It'll be a lot of fun.